in any of the institute, people, management, I'm talking about not national college, I'm not talking about Christ University, from where I belong to. But I have seen many of the university. I have taught in Narsi Munji as well. You must be you must be knowing that particular institute as well. One of the famous institute in Mumbai and Hyderabad, among top 50 colleges. I was there for 4 years over there. I have taught over there as well. I'm not talking about these first 100 colleges. I'm talking about India's rural and suburban colleges. Tier 2 and Tier 3 cities and colleges are there. People used to invest definitely on little bit of infrastructure, classes only, tables only, chairs only, that's it, right? But they don't invest on infrastructure. What sort of infrastructure I'm talking about? I'm talking about knowledge-based system. That is, you will find in difficulty where the college is equipped with Scopus database. You do not have a database. And if you do not have a database, how you are going to do the research? Are you getting the point? They do not invest. And to be very on a frank note, it is costly. It is costly. मतलब chair table लाना आसान है, but it is an annual subscription and it becomes very costly, and the fees which we get from the students are not that sufficient to meet up that particular cost. So management point of view say it's little bit difficult, but for the faculty or for the researcher or for the student who are going for the PhD course of job, it becomes little bit difficult to map up the standards, and we are not able to find out the research real problem. Why? Because we do not have a database. So एक जो institutional infrastructure में हमारा database का problem आता है, that is the little bit of challenge which we used to face while going for the research. Now see, अगर आपके पास journals ही नहीं है उस library में, तो आप search क्या करोगे? You have the books, but you do not have the updated journals. So that is the challenge which used to happen in a prior world, right? Then manual service, you have to go over there regularly, take out the books, take out the journals, then you have to frame the topic, or else what we used to do, जैसे मैम ने भी बताया ना, जो गाइड ने बोल दिया उसी से related research papers और journals ढूंढे, उसी से related books भी ढूंढी, उनमें से थोड़े से draft करे, and then we have started writing our problem. And definitely आपने भी वही follow करा होगा, मतलब मैम ने भी वही follow करा होगा, right? Now see, then we used to go for the, if further we used to proceed, then हम किस पे चले जाते थे? SPSS और Excel. नॉर्मली हम उसको भी अब बहुत आउटडेटेड हो गया है वो भी, ठीक? तो एक SPSS Excel पे जाते थे. Although Excel itself is a very powerful tool. मतलब if you have a limited data, then Excel is a powerful tool. If you have a database of around even computer science people are there, so they will better let us know if the data points is somewhere around 8 lakh. 8 lakh data points के साथ अगर आप काम कर रहे हो, it is good too. But if the data point is greater than 8 lakh, तब Excel में problem आनी शुरू है. It start hanging up. Then in that case, although फिर भी वो चलता है, लेकिन वो कभी boot up नहीं होगा, hang कर जाएगा, वो issue आने लग जाते हैं Excel के साथ. If you are having a database, data points greater than 8 lakh, then I would recommend you to go to the R or Python. That are better tool than to go with the Excel. वहाँ पे भी आप वही काम कर सकते हैं, right? Then solo writing, and then you go for the checking of the email collaborations and each and everything, and then you used to get your data. Now see today's research. We will after little bit, let me make you understand what we are going to do. Then we will do. We will write one paper. I will make you understand. Most probably we have the laptops, or in between we have the laptops. No, so we will connect. What we will do. अच्छा, एक बड़ी प्रॉब्लम हमारे साथ एक और है, मतलब बीइंग एन इंडियन हमारे साथ प्रॉब्लम है कि हम वही चीज ढूंढते हैं जो फ्री में होती है, राइट? वी ऑलवेज लुक फॉर फ्री, जो चीज फ्री है. पहले जियो ने फ्री दिया तो सबने जियो ले लिया. अब जियो ने ही इतना ज़्यादा चार्जेस लगा दिए कि वी आर नॉट एबल टू इवन पे फॉर दैट पर्टिकुलर सब्सक्रिप्शन. सो वी लुक फॉर द फ्री थिंग, बट इन दिस AI वर्ल्ड नथिंग कम्स फ्री, right? एक challenge here, nothing comes free. So what we have to do, we have to somehow go with the premium. AI के कोई ना कोई आपको premium लेने पड़ेंगे. And I'm not saying you to buy each and everything. Think अगर आपको subscription लेना भी है ना, तो just take up for a subscription for a month or so only. 1 महीने के लिए लीजिए, यूज करिए, अगर आपको लगता है कि इट इज गुड फॉर यू, इट इज वर्किंग फॉर यू, कंटिन्यू विद इट, अदरवाइज कीप ऑन स्विचिंग, ठीक है। तो उससे आपको क्या होगा, आपको डिफरेंट डेटा AI टूल्स मालूम चल जाएंगे और उन AI टूल्स के थ्रू यू विल गेट टू नो विच वन इज वर्किंग फॉर यू. So keep on switching your AI tools, right? We will go with these AI tools as well. So what we are going to do, we will write one at the end of today's session. We will try our best to end up one research paper, at least outline में आपके साथ फ्रेम करके जाना चाहता हूँ कि आप अपने रिसर्च पेपर्स के जो भी आप रिसर्च पेपर में इंटरेस्ट ले रहे हैं या बनाना चाहते हैं, या आपका जो PhD का टॉपिक है उसमें आप सोचिए उसको ध्यान से, और फिर हम उसको और नलिफाई करेंगे, उसको और जीरो डाउन करेंगे. तो विल ट्राई आवर बेस्ट कि एक आउटलाइन पेपर आपका रेडी हो जाए आज जब हम सेशन को कंप्लीट करें, राइट? Then we will go with some IML models and dashboards. We will see open science, we will see cloud collaboration SISU and API database के through हम कैसे data scraping करेंगे, right? So this is our agenda which we are going to do. Now see earlier now this is what I have mentioned that अच्छा हमारे साथ टीचर्स के साथ जब आप टीचर बन जाते हैं तो बच्चों का अट्रैक्शन देने के लिए ना क्या करना पड़ता है, हमें कहानियाँ बनानी पड़ती हैं, तो वो सुनते नहीं हैं हमारी बातें. और आज के डेट में तो बच्चे बहुत ही शैतान हो गए, मतलब दे हैव अ फोकस एरिया ऑफ जस्ट 30 सेकेंड्स एंड दैट आर वेरी ट्रू. मतलब मैं उनसे बोलता हूँ कि हम लोग सिर्फ तुम्हारे इंस्टाग्राम के स्क्रॉल में नहीं है, अदरवाइज व्हाट यू आर गोइंग टू डू, आप एक क्लास को फ्लिप करोगे, दूसरी क्लास को बुला लोगे, फिर तीसरी क्लास को भी बुला लोगे, चौथी क्लास को भी बुला लोगे. दैट 30 seconds is enough to gather their attention. If that 30 seconds you do not make your point which you are going to deliver for the entire 1 hour, they are out of your session. वो सामने बैठे रहेंगे लेकिन सामने भी कैसे होते हैं, लाश की तरह होते हैं. Nothing, no impression, no feedback you get from their session. वो पढ़े रहते हैं बस, हाँ बोलते रहो तुम, 1 घंटे की बात है, हमारा अटेंडेंस मार्क होनी चाहिए, that's it. Our objective is to get the attendance because 85% attendance नहीं होगा, then you are not going to give us exam. So that is the clear topic, and such a you see such a, and being a teacher and you all are teachers, so I am telling you each and everything honestly, what used to happen in the class and why the classes are right now. So and they are very good even. वो उनके साथ प्रॉब्लम क्या है ना, they have each and every information. They have each and every. हाथ में फोन पकड़ा हुआ है, आप कुछ एक जरा सा गलत बोल के देखो, वो फटाक से क्रॉस चेक करके कहते हैं सर ये गलत बोल दिया आपने. So the problem is and what I used to say, so much of data is there, so much of information is there, they don't have the knowledge and they don't have the wisdom. वो आपके पास है, वो आपके पास है. They have the information, but information को process करके हमें knowledge बनाते हैं और knowledge के बाद हम कोई decision making करने में जाते हैं. They have the information, but they think that that information is sufficient for their knowledge even. So you have to correct them over there. Now see, why I am saying you, because just because of that reason, I have also break down the industry into the 5 different eras. Research, हम बोलते हैं ना इंडस्ट्री 1, 2, 3, 4 and 5. Nowadays we used to say 5.0 हम बात कर रहे हैं. Similarly, research is also on the basis of your era becomes 1, 2, 3, 4 and 5. Research 1, where the traditional books and methods were used. जब सर ने रिसर्च अपनी PhD कंप्लीट करी होगी तो डेफिनेटली उसी, इवन मैंने भी उसी मेथड से करी है, राइट? उस समय भी कोई भी हमारे पास कोई भी डेटा नहीं रहता था, राइट? नाउ कमिंग टू द एरा ऑफ सेकेंड एरा में क्या हुआ, कंप्यूटर आ गया, लिटिल बिट ऑफ डेटाबेसेस आने शुरू हो गए और हमने उसके थ्रू वर्क करना शुरू कर दिया. When we move to the third era, there was a huge data set which is coming to you, right? And the fourth data is with the invent of AI, how you have to work with the invent of AI with that particular database. And the fifth era is in which we are living now. You AI सब करके देगा, what you have to do, you have to apply your human mind. Creativity has to be done by you only. You have to cross check whether whatever the answer which is generating by the chat GPT or cloud or Gemini और Perplexity, किसी से भी आप काम करवा रहे हैं, आपको चेक करना है कि वो सही बोल रहा है कि नहीं बोल रहा है, ठीक है? That is not there. They are just developing the answers. They are just developing, giving you the answers. But creativity has to be done by you only. Now we are living in that particular world, right? First was just simple. हमें क्या करना है? Books ढूंढना है, किताबें ढूंढनी है, लिखना शुरू करा. Nowadays people do not even write. What I have seen that nowadays people even do not write. They just listen whatever you are speaking and then it's gone. Even you will find many of the you see workable podcasts have been started. You just record the sessions. All YouTube के जितने भी videos हैं, you just record. You have many AI tools. ये science वाले सर लोग सब जानते हैं. They can record each and every podcast. Make your own podcast, and that podcast can be an interactive podcast either. Right? You can interact with that, and that podcast is so good for the students that whenever they feel that this particular topic or this particular concept they are not it's not been explained good enough good manner, they can stop over there, they can ask that particular question, and that AI tool will let you know the answer, right? So we are into that particular era. आप मतलब you can develop your own agents, and you can develop that particular podcast, and even your studies you can do with that particular point of view. So going from industry 1 to the 5, we have seen these all things, and now only the human intellectual things will be left, where you have to guide your AI tools that whether whatever the answer, whatever the things which has been generated is true or not, right? Will it get connected now?
Prashant, 2 minutes. Sir, 2 minutes.
Okay, it will take time.
अभी है जैसे चल रहा है सुगम के बाद
शांति आ जाइए उधर लॉगिन करिए
So first traditional books and physicals. Internet era was there. Google journals have came now. Then the third big data is now being coming into it. अच्छा nowadays what used to happen, ये big data से भी बात थोड़ा सा समझ लेते हैं. Maybe आप जब अपने research के लिए सोचते हो तो what is the sample size which you think that it is good enough? It depends upon. It depends upon the population, definitely. एक मतलब
टॉपिक की डिमांड क्या है?
टॉपिक की डिमांड क्या है? Okay, fine. Even though if you move little bit more.
और ये भी है कि सबका
अच्छा, suppose you want to know how much AI is being used in higher education, right? And you want to know in India, what will be your population size? In India, let's exclude the student, although they are a big stakeholder in this particular topic. Let's take about only faculty. Let's take about only faculty. हम थोड़ा सा narrow down करते हैं कि हमें population और sample की idea मिल जाए. तो then in that case, what will be your sample size?
So if the population is around 25 to 30,000, then the sample will be around 400, 380 to 400.
सर आई थिंक नॉट मोर देन 400
Okay.
जितना हम इजीली जितना सैंपल साइज हैंडल कर सकें
So I think the population size number one will depend on whether you are using qualitative or quantitative.
Right. And suppose we are going ahead with the quantitative
If we are
analysis.
going ahead with the quantitative, then we can use different formulas
To determine the definitely true, very true. So let's make a deal that 400 plus will be an ideal size, right? Although 400 to 450, what the ma'am has told is good enough if the population size is too high, right? If the population size is too high, then it is good enough. But suppose we have that such data points. Suppose we have the data points, and we want to include all the data, then will it 400 or 500 will be the feasible point, or can we say that this is the big data era?
AC बंद करिए.
Can we say that this is the big data era? अच्छा चलिए. So I'm talking about not about your research thesis. I'm not talking about your research thesis. I'm talking about your research paper where you want to write a research paper on the basis of you want to write a research paper on the basis of how many likes a person is getting. Your research question is how many likes a person is getting if he or she is putting up a reel on Instagram at this particular moment of time. Now see, millions and billions of data is there, right? Twitter ke tweets, millions and billions of tweets are done by